In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if someone has read your email in Microsoft Outlook. This is a handy feature when you need confirmation that your message has been seen, whether you're following up on a project, coordinating schedules, or simply making sure important information doesn't get missed. First, log in to your Outlook account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Outlook homepage, which is your main dashboard for reading, organizing, and sending emails. Take a moment to make sure everything is loaded and you can see your inbox, folders, and the main toolbar. Next, click the New Mail button to start a new message. A blank Compose window will open where you can add your recipient's subject and message body. Before you send anything, look toward the top of this window and find the Options tab. This tab is designed to give you more control over how your email is sent and what happens after it reaches the recipient. Inside the Options menu, locate the setting labeled Request Read Receipt and turn it on. By enabling this, you are asking Outlook to notify you when the recipient opens your email. Think of it as a polite nudge for confirmation. After you've enabled it, finish composing your message as you normally would and go ahead and send it. A quick note on how this works behind the scenes. A read receipt is a request, not a guarantee. Some recipients or their email providers may block read receipts, and in many cases, the recipient will be prompted to accept or decline sending one back. That means you might not always receive a confirmation, even if your email was read. Because of that, it's a good idea to set expectations. If the context is sensitive or timing is critical, add a brief line in your email explaining that you've requested a read receipt so the recipient understands why they might see a prompt. After you send your message, keep an eye on your inbox or notifications. If the recipient's system allows it and they agree, Outlook will send you a confirmation letting you know the message was opened. If you don't receive anything, consider following up later in a friendly way instead of relying solely on the receipt. And that's it. You've successfully enabled a read receipt for your email in Microsoft Outlook. Used thoughtfully, this simple feature helps you stay informed and communicate more clearly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more Outlook tips and productivity guides.